Today we will learn how to assemble the half cell. So we have to prepare the spring, stainless steel spacer, positive casing and negative casing. So first we will put the negative casing, and then we will use the lithium foil or sodium foil or any foil in the negative casing. Place it. After that you have to put the separator. So you can use the separator with the diameter of 19 mm. You can put the dry separator because it's easy to align. Then you can put the amount of electrolyte you want to make it wet. And then you can use the cathode, which is coated onto the aluminum or copper foil. Make sure the black material is facing the lithium towards the separator. Then you can place a spacer of stainless steel and align it well. This alignment is very important. So after that you have to place the spring, and then use the positive casing to close the cell. If it's aligned well, it's very easy to close. If it's not aligned, it's hard to close. So then gently press. After that, the cell is almost ready for the crimping. Make at least 3 cells for each compositions. You can also use 5 cells. Then use the crimping machines. This is a very basic crimping machine. This is not digital one. Here is the die where we will place the coin cell. Just pick up one coin cell and place with positive side towards the die, lower die, and negative sides towards the upper die. Align it well, and then you have to close the pressure and use this handle to apply the pressure through hydraulic. So once it touches, it will show some readings here. So you have to check and apply about 750 psi pressure. So once you have applied, you can hold for a few seconds and then release the pressure. Then take out the cell. So die is coming down. Then you can pick up your cell. So it's crimped, or we can say it's already sealed. So now this cell is ready for the testing. Thank you.